Nagawa ako ng lechon kawali but sa air fryer. So, pinaprepare ko yung mga kailangan ko, which is laurel, asin, pamintang buo, onion, and garlic. Tapos, baboil lang natin yun. Okay. Lahat pa na siguro ito. Bawas na siya kanina. Kanina ba? O kahapon. Anyway. Lahat pa na yun. Because I love bawang so much. Alam kong babalikan ba? Babalikan na natin. Balatan. Panindigan natin yung mahabang proseso. Kasi ang plano ko sana is diretso ko na lang siyang i-air fry. Lagyan ko lang ng asin at paminta, ganyan. Pero apparently kailangan mo pala siyang i-boil. And maglagay ka ng kung ano-ano habang pinapakuluan mo siya. So gagawin natin yan. Because why not? Lahat ng masarap na bagay, most of them, it takes time. Okay? As a Capricorn, ayan ang ating story of our life. Like, long term, like, ano yun, late, delayed gratification. Yeah, mga ganyan. That's very Capricorn archetype. Mahilig pala ako sa astrology. Astrology. I'm a Capricorn, Sun, Sagittarius Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay? That's me. And I'm in my Saturn return era right now. So, yeah. Hirap magbalat ng bawang. Anyway, okay na yan. So, ready na yung ready na yung mga ingredients. We have, yan, that's the pork. Bawas na yan. Yung kalahati ginawa namin nilaga. Anyway, so, boil natin yan. After 30 minutes of pagpapakulo, ito na itsura niya. So, kailangan natin yung i-dry. Then, yeah. Sunod is air fry na. So, yan. Napatuyo na natin siya, pero pupunasan pa natin yan para mas matuyo pa siya. Punasan natin siya ng paper towels. Wait lang, hirap naman ito. Tong. Yan. Punasan lang natin ito. Paper towel. Oh, ito. Yan. Wala palang taba yung iba. I think ready na to. Lagay na natin siya sa air fryer. Pero before that, wait. Lalagay na natin siya sa air fryer. So, 200 ko siya. Nalagay ko siya sa sabi kasi sa 400 degrees at 20 minutes. Pero dahil $200 lang yan, gawin natin 40. So, see you in 40 minutes, I guess. Bye-bye. So, nirecord ko yung video na yun kung saan nagluluto ako ng air-fried lechon kawali like months ago. And hindi ko na makita yung video ng finished product or kahit pictures. So, I'm just gonna post a reference picture dito ng itsura ng air-fried lechon kawali. Anyway, yung point naman ng video is just to show na I can cook. I know madaming mas magandang video tutorial ng paggawa ng lechon kawali sa air fryer, but that's not the point. The point is wala lang, I get. Yeah, wala lang. I love cooking and I love eating and I love talking. Charot, not really. Pero I guess the point of the video is just to do something, to create something out of nothing. Nung record ko yun, I was just working and yeah, I'm working from home and I work night shift and I just thought of, most of the time talaga, pag nag-work ako, sinasabay ko yung, pag naboboard ako, gumagawa ako ng, like, gawaing bahay on the side. And I'm at a point in my life where I'm willing to go all in sa pag-create ng videos, and especially here sa YouTube, rather than, well, I guess the point that I'm saying, but I guess what I'm saying is I'd rather start now because I don't see myself working in a corporate job for like another 5 years. Like, I just can't. And I love creating, and I love teaching, and I love just doing different things. And looking back, I have always loved recording videos, pero I just don't like people seeing them, I guess, dati. So yeah. Recently, tingnan ko yung mga lumang files ko sa Google Drive, and ang dami ko palang videos doon na wala lang, nag-video lang ako with my friends and like random things, and I never really thought of starting a YouTube channel and really like taking it seriously. Kasi luma naman itong channel ko, pero my oldest upload was 2015, college year ako. Pero right now, I'm just trying to put up as much video, as much content as I can. So you know, just para mas matuto, and like, I just want to learn. And I don't know where will this take me, pero I am willing to take a chance than to regret not doing it, not doing anything, not starting. So yan, thank you for watching, and expect more from me.